Hello viewers. So today we are going to see answers for book back questions in science for Samacheer Kalvi chapter 1 and chapter 2. First Roman, choose the correct answer. First one, inertia of a body depends on answer. Inertia of a body depends on mass of the object. So answer option C, mass of the object. Second one, impulse is equal to answer, impulse is equal to change of momentum. Option C, change of momentum. Third one, Newton's third law is applicable. Answer, Newton's third law is applicable for a body is at rest, for a body in motion also. So option C, both A and B. Fourth one, plotting a graph for momentum on the y-axis and time on x-axis. Slope of momentum time graph gives answer, slope of momentum time graph gives force. So option C, force. Fifth one, in which of the following sport the turning of effect of force is used? Answer, option C, cycling. Sixth one, the unit of G is ms power minus 2. It can be also expressed as answer, it can be also expressed as nkg power minus 1. Option B. Seventh one, 1 kilogram force equals to answer, 1 kilogram force equal to option C, 98 into 10 to the power of 4 dyne. Eighth one, the mass of a body is measured on planet Earth as mkg. When it is taken to a planet of radius half that of the Earth, then its value will be dash kilogram. Answer, when it is taken to a planet of radius half that of the Earth, then its value will be m by 4 kilogram. Option C. Ninth one, if a Earth shrinks to 50% of its real radius, its mass remaining the same, the weight of a body on the Earth will answer, the weight of a body on the Earth will decrease by 25%. Option C. Tenth one, to project the rocket, which of the following principle is or are required? Answer, Newton's third law of motion and law of conservation of linear momentum. So option D, both A and C are correct. Fill in the blanks. First one, to produce a displacement, dash is required. Answer, to produce a displacement, force is required. Second one, passengers lean forward when sudden brake is applied in a moving vehicle. This can be explained by answer, passengers lean forward when sudden brake is applied in a moving vehicle. This can be explained by the inertia of motion. Third one, by convention, the clockwise movements are taken as dash and the anti-clockwise movements are taken as dash. Answer: by convention, the clockwise movements are taken as negative and the anti-clockwise movements are taken as positive. Answer: acceleration is used to change the speed of a car. Fifth one, a man of mass 100 kg has a weight of dash at the surface of the earth. Answer: a man of mass 100 kg has a weight of 980 N at the surface of the earth. True or false? First one, the linear momentum of a system of particles is always conserved. Answer: false. So the correct statement is the linear momentum of a system of particles is always conserved if no external force acts on it. So if no external force acts only, it is a system where particles always are conserved. Second one, apparent weight of a person is always equal to his actual weight. Answer: true. Third one, weight of a body is greater at the equator and less at the polar region. Answer: false. So the correct statement is weight of a body is lesser at the equator and greater at the polar region. Fourth one, turning a nut with a spanner having a short handle is so easy than one with a long handle. Answer: false. So the correct statement is turning a nut with a spanner having a short handle is so harder than one with a long handle. Fifth one, there is no gravity in the orbiting space station around the Earth, so the astronauts feel weightlessness. Answer: false. So the correct statement is there is a gravity in the orbiting space station around the Earth. Since space station and astronauts have equal acceleration, both the astronauts and space station are in the state of weightlessness. Match the following. So A, Newton's first law, stable equilibrium of a body. Newton's second law is law of force. C, Newton's third law is flying nature of a bird. D, law of conservation of linear momentum is propulsion of a rocket. So the order is D, A, B and C. Assertion and reason. First one, assertion: the sum of the clockwise movements is equal to the sum of the anti-clockwise movements. Reason: the principle of conservation of momentum is valid if the external force on the system is zero. So the assertion is also true and the reason is also true, but reason is not the correct explanation for the assertion. So option B. Second one, assertion: the value of g decreases as the height and depth increases from the surface of the earth. Reason: g depends on the mass of the object and the earth. Here, the assertion is true, but the reason is false. So, option C. Chapter 2. Choose the correct answer. First one, the refractive index of four substances A, B, C and D are 1.31, 1.43, 1.33, 2.4 respectively. The speed of light maximum in answer, the speed of light is maximum in A, option A, which has 1.31 as the refractive index. Second one, where should an object be placed so that a real and inverted image of same size is obtained by a convex lens? So, answer is option B, 2F. Third one, a small bulb is placed at the principal focus of a convex lens. When the bulb is switched on, the lens will produce. Answer, when the bulb is switched on, the lens will produce a convergent beam of light. Option A. Fourth one, magnification of a convex lens is. Answer, magnification of a convex lens is option A, positive. Fifth one, a convex lens forms a real, diminished point-sized image at focus. Then the position of the object is at. Answer, then the position of the object is at option B, infinity. Sixth one, power of a lens is -4 diopter. Then its focal length is. Answer, the focal length is -0.25 meter. Option C. Here we use the formula power is equal to 100 by F. So we will get -0.25 meter. Seventh one, in a myopic eye, the image of the object is formed. Answer, in a myopic eye, the image of the object is formed in front of the retina. Option C. Eighth one, the eye defect presbyopia can be corrected by. Answer, the eye defect presbyopia can be corrected by option D, bifocal lens. This bifocal lens have both concave and convex lens. This presbyopia is where we have both myopia and hypermetropia. These presbyopia come for the old age people where they lose their vision. Ninth one, which of the following lens would you prefer to use while reading small letters found in a dictionary? Answer, a convex lens of focal length 10 cm can be used. So option C. 10th one, if VB, VG, VR be the velocity of blue, green and red light respectively in a glass prism, then which of the following statements gives the correct relation? So answer option C. VB is smaller than VG, VG is smaller than VR. Fill in the blanks. First one, the path of the light is called as dash. Answer, the path of the light is called as ray of light. Second one, the refractive index of a transparent medium is always greater than dash. Answer, the refractive index of a transparent medium is always greater than 1. Third one, if the energy of incident beam and the scattered beam are same, then the scattering of light is called as dash scattering. Answer, if the energy of incident beam and the scattering beam are same, then the scattering of light is called as elastic scattering. Fourth one, according to Rayleigh's scattering law, the amount of scattering of light is inversely proportional to the fourth power of its dash. Answer, according to Rayleigh's scattering law, the amount of scattering of light is inversely proportional to the fourth power of its wavelength. Fifth one, amount of light entering into the eye is controlled by dash. Answer, amount of light entering into the eye is controlled by iris. True or false? First one, velocity of light is greater in denser medium than in rarer medium. Answer, false. So the correct statement is velocity of light is lesser in a denser medium than in rarer medium. Second one, the power of lens depends on the focal length of the lens. Answer, true. Third one, increase in the converging power of eye lens cause hypermetropia. Answer, true. Fourth one, the convex lens always gives small virtual image. Answer, false. So the correct statement is the convex lens give enlarged virtual image when it is placed between pole and principal focus. So it is false. Match the following. First one, retina. This retina is the screen of an eye. So first one. Second one, pupil. This is the pathway of light. Third one, ciliary muscle. It is power of accommodation. Fourth one, myopia. This is a far point comes closer. Fifth one, hypermetropia, where near point moves away. So the order is 2, 4, 5, 1 and 3. Assertion and reason. First one, assertion. If the refractive index of the medium is high, the velocity of the light in the medium will be small. Reason, refractive index of the medium is inversely proportional to the velocity of the light. Here, assertion is also true and reason is also true. Here we have to check whether reason is the correct explanation. So, reason is the correct explanation for assertion. So, option A is the correct answer. Second one, assertion, myopia is due to increase in the converging power of eye lens. Reason, myopia can be corrected with the help of concave lens. Here, assertion is also true and reason is also true. But reason is not the correct explanation for the assertion. So, option B.